The app that I decided to go through today is by starfall.com, and I went into the kindergarten category because I currently work as a supply EA at an elementary school near my home, and I work with a boy in kindergarten who doesn't quite have his colors as well as his ABCs. So when I went through this, I thought it would be a great learning tool that would help him not only identify the ABCs, but as well learn the colors at the same time. So this app has both. And so we'll go through here to the ABCs under the kindergarten. And when we go into the letter A, it'll make the sounds and it'll show you the capital A and the small letter A, as well as it being in a red block. So if I was to sit with this app and my kindergarten boy that I work with, I would not only have us go over the alphabet letters that we're picking and the sounds of them, but I would also ask him to identify the colors.
A.
And then with this, so it makes the sound, and then it also shows something that starts with the letter, and as well, I would then ask, what is that image? And see if he can identify the image that goes with this letter and the sound. And then as well, I would ask what color it was. So then we can go back here. Oh, and we can close out of A and go back to the alphabet list and then go to the next letter, which of course is B. And so this one's in blue. So again, I would ask, what letter is this and what color is the block?
B. B. I am going to get you, B.
And then it also has what is associated with the letter B, like the insect, the bee. And then it also represents something that starts again with the letter. So like the apple with A, we've got the ball with B, and then again I would ask the color. And then again, moving into C, so the C block is yellow. So again, I would ask my kindergarten to identify not only the letter, but also the color at this stage.
C. C.
And then again, the image of something that associates to the letter, so cat with C. And then moving onwards into the rest of the alphabet. So I really like this one. It's a website that you can use free, and it's colorful and bright, and then there's musical ones that you can use with your ABCs, and there's numbers, and then it moves on from kindergarten to go into the higher grades. So it would be something you could actually continue using if you were still working with that same student that you started them in the kindergarten program with, or you could move on to, if you get assigned to a classroom with the grade ones or grade 1, 2, you could do this again.